Hey guys, just give you an update. I did some switching around in here. Got the dash on that buggy done. Now I got to do one more project here on mine. This is the one you don't get to see very often because it was undercover. But I'm going to get it done today. Well, at least get the motor out of it. So what I've done is last year, towards the middle of the year, I ended up blowing the rear main seal out of it. The size of the motor is a 2110 with dual Webers, fireball ignition. I'm going to do some upgrades again. I bought some new stuff for it, but everything seems to be pretty good so far on it. But you can see underneath here, it's oily. It's all oiled out back there, right? Yeah, you can see all the oil up in there. Right, so I gotta pull the motor out. There's the dual Webers. They're getting a little dirty, but I can clean them up. Right, everything's all pretty clean. Right, discovered another oil leak in there. I don't know, it's on the oil seals. You can't really see without light, but so I'm gonna get all that done. I'm really happy the way the dash come out. I got all the instruments set up. I'm gonna leave it blank for now. Some dust or something on there, right? But it really came up nice and smooth. It looks stock again. Someone else who buys this thing is gonna be able to do what they want. Right? One day I'm gonna actually get back into this one. But first, that's a summer project. I can wheel that outside and do some work on it. But just give you kind of a rundown of what's going to happen here with this one. Everything's so dusty from doing all the sanding on that red one. Gave it a quick wipe down, but you can see across the windshield how much dust there is in here. And that was under my car cover. Even the back seat, it's got stuff in it. Like last year, all the leaves. But I drove it like I stole it every time. I'll kind of give you a heads up when I'm done most of the work. I'll probably get the tranny or the motor out. I got to drain the fluid in the tranny this year, and I'll replace it. But yeah. So I might repolish the intakes as well while I'm at it. I don't know yet. Look at the chrome, it's all dirty. That's fine. Hide some more wiring maybe. Right, but so it's kind of a quick rundown of what I'm going to be doing today. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later on this one. Bye.